Horses in. Horses out, we have a Hokiyok past the begin, down on the inside is Preciosa, Moonraker, moving up on the outside is Touch of Glass, then comes Playmaker, Don Martino comes next, and on the outside, Pretty Bull, September Morning, Madame Leonora, Kirikada, Milagros, Federer, Gifted Jump, third last, second last is True and Up, and Strong Boy is the early trailer, we have a Hokiyok. Baya Baralang get on the outside now is Playmaker in second. Touch of Glass in third. Running by Drellport is Moonraker. Don Martino moving up to take third. Racing in sixth, Pretty Bull. September Morning in seventh, Madame Leonora. Kirikada, Milagros, Federer, Preciosa. Then comes the Strong Boy. True and Up and Gifted Jump. Racing in last. And it's still a Hokiyok by about 3 lengths. Don Martino now in second, and in third, Playmaker. September Morning now to take fourth. Then comes Pretty Bull. Estela Hokiyok, followed by Don Martino. September Morning on the outside, third moving up, Kirikada, Milagros. As they come down to the last 150. Estela Hokiyok, September Morning, Kirikada, Milagros on the outside. But it's still Hokiyok moving up, Kirikada, Milagros, Preciosa. Hokiyok, Kirikada, Milagros, Preciosa. Entering the finish line. It's going to be close finish. Kirikada, Milagros, Hokiyok, Preciosa.
What a way to end this affair, no?
Yes.
This NBI anniversary races. What